Hiccups are one of the most random and annoying things our bodies do, but why do they happen? Hiccups occur when your diaphragm, a muscle under your lungs, suddenly spasms. This causes you to inhale sharply, but the quick closure of your vocal cords creates that classic hike sound. Triggers, eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, or even sudden excitement can irritate your diaphragm. Sometimes even your brain gets involved when your nervous system overreacts to minor stimuli. Fun fact, the longest recorded case of hiccups lasted 68 years. Thankfully, most go away on their own, but holding your breath or sipping water can help reset your diaphragm. Our bodies are full of quirky surprises. Follow for more fascinating facts.